Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to draw 2D sketch in AutoCAD or learn it. First of all, open the AutoCAD software. Now I am going to select circle, draw the circle. Now give the dimension, circle radius 20. Okay, now I am going to fixed origin, UCS icon at origin. Now go to draw the diameter circle here. Now give the value 25. Okay. Now go to copy tool, select this circle and this circle, select and right button and select here. Now this point select. Now this point to this point 44 between circle between 44. Okay. Now these two circle no need. Okay, delete. Now go to 10 radius circle. Now select here and here. Now give the radius below 30. Okay. Now go to trim. Select. Now go to mirror select. Now this arc. Now select this point and this point. Okay, right button and enter. Now go to trim. No need this circle and this arc. Okay. Now give the dimension below. Now here select linear. This point and this point distance highlight. Now go to radius. Now you can here select dimension below D, enter. Now select here modify. Now go to symbol and arrow size. Now give the value arrow size 5. Now select text. Now give the text color red and text height 5. Primary unit precision after 0. Now OK, set current and close. Okay. Now go to select radius, this arc below. Now go to here, select diameter, this circle diameter below. Okay. Now go to radius, select this arc below 30. Okay. Now you can dimension size small, need to small, D, enter again, modify. Now select here symbol and arrow size, give the 3, text height 3. Okay, set current, close. Okay. Now make our job. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If you have any ask, you can write comment box.